Houston, have you taken Bio 365 yet? The genetics or whatever. Genetics, that's what it's called. I don't remember the number.
I'm in 375 genetics.
Okay, that one. That's what I meant.
Yeah, I'm taking that right now.
How is it?
It's going pretty good. It's pretty interesting. Did you take 181?
Yeah, I'm taking that right now.
Yeah, it's just, it'll be good that you're taking that before, if you're taking that next semester, because it goes over a lot of the same stuff, just more in detail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what my plan is.
Yeah, so I like it. I think you'll like it too.
Cool. Awesome. Good to hear. I'm a little nervous. I was like, genetics.
All right.
It's tough, to be honest. But
for sure. Okay, so number 3. Given a linear regression equation, what is the y-intercept?
Whoa.
Y-intercept.
2?
Yeah.
Yep, I put 2.
That's what I put.
And then the next one's just 1, I believe.
Your slope.
Put 2.0.
Yeah. Alright, what is the predicted value of y when x is 16? 1?
That's what I got.
Yeah, I got 1 too.
I got 1 for number 5. What did you guys get?
Yeah, I got 1.
Yeah.
It's interesting that they write it that way.
Like backwards.
If they switch it.
Yeah, like in all my other math classes, it's always y equals something x plus a number instead of the number plus something x.
So did you, in the book, did you happen to read that yet? There's a section that you can click on and it said, why does this happen? I wasn't going to click on it and then I did. And it said that because they put the X, it's actually B1 and X1. And then if you have multiple variables, it can be B2 and X2 and B3 and X3 and B4 and X4. So they put it at the end so that you can just keep on adding variables onto the y-intercept without then having them like some of them here and some of them here and some of them here. So that's why.
Gotcha.
I knew that was,
makes sense.
I knew you were dying to know that. So.
Well, yeah. I want to know everything about this class.
I know. And then it said that we wouldn't be studying that. So if we had questions regarding that, we would need to hire a, what do you call them? A statistician.
Oh yeah, or look up a textbook.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get right on that.
That's funny.
Nah.
So on this one, you do it backwards when you put it in Excel.
So that's what I was going to look at right here. So which is, be sure the confidence, oh yeah, data is the explanatory. Okay.
So it's backwards.
Yeah, so that's what I was trying to see which one was first.
I think it looks like a hot dog or a hamburger or
Oh, darn it, I'm dragging it, and I learned how to do it too.
Let's see.
So did you put it was a hot dog?
That's what I put.
It looks pretty straight, I guess.
It's like a chewy
Yeah.
dog.
I'd say it's a little bit more hot dog than banana.
Yeah, the banana was pretty curved, so I think that one would just be an outlier, maybe. That little one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot dog it is.
So I'm going to say it's appropriate.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's linear. So.
How many observations are in the data?
Look like 139. If I remember right.
Is that, I know it was, I can't remember if that was how many. Yeah, 142 minus 3. So is it anywhere on there? I'm just curious. Is there a sample somewhere on there?
I don't see one. I was looking
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah. So the last
Yes.
the last given is on slot 140, but it starts at number 2. So
Right.
oh yeah, there it is. A group of n equals 139 students.
Where's that at?
Over in the comments, it says Shane Goodwin, another researcher studied factors, yada yada yada. A group of
Oh, yeah.
139 students.
Oh, cool.
I just counted it too. It was 139.
Yeah.
You just counted them?
Okay.
Oh, individually. That makes
2.
sense.
Oh.
You just minus the first 2.
Yeah, that's what I
or
did.
First
I
3
just,
or whatever.
I'll count them one by one just to be sure, okay?
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
I'd like
Make
them-
sure they didn't miscount.
That's right. And you got to put them in order too. So the y-intercept is 18.690.
Mine says.
Yep.
12.695.
What?
What? Oh,
12.695.
one.
for this
Yeah. I thought you were talking about the intercept.
one. Oh,
2.69.
Z-Man, what's going on, kiddo? All right, hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
No problem.
You're good.
I got 69.47.
So just round to the 3 decimals.
I'm just coming out with 2 decimals. I don't know if that's wrong.
What's that?
Can you just put over here where it says X? Are you allowed to put the X right there? Does it change it?
Yeah, you can. That's what I did.
You did?
I got 69.469. Look, the same thing.
Oh, cool. Well, that's good. I didn't know that was there. I just happened to see it.
Wait, where at?
Under the y-intercept and the slope-intercept, there's a blue X,
Oh, whoa.
You just plug it in and
which I didn't know that before because I was doing it by hand.
I just did it by hand too, and I got like 4.7.
So it rounded.
Yeah.
I just happened to see that it was blue because usually we can't change anything over in these boxes, you know?
mhm.
That makes it easy.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Especially because it was talking about rounding and getting a different answer. And if you're doing it by hand, you're just doing the last three. And this is probably, obviously, compared to what you got, it's taking it from further away.
Yeah.
Very more accurate.
So let's see.
All right, where do you guys go?
We just
What is it?
finished 11.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so then what does that mean? That we go back and we change that back to a 6?
Um,
I'm confused at what it's asking.
Well, it's talking about that. Okay, this confidence is not talking about like a confidence level. It's talking about the students, how they got the score versus how confident they were. The confident response, the confident rating, I think. So it's saying, so the predicted values were 1 through 6. Remember, 6 was very sure.
Yeah.
And so because there is a positive correlation, we can use the largest X value, which would be 6, and find the largest predicted value of Y. So if you go back and you put 6 back in that X, it comes out to 94.859.
is it but there's also the part that says prediction interval for Y. Do you think it'd be that? Oh wait, maybe you're right.
Well, it's not asking for a confidence interval. It's wanting to know the largest predicted value of Y. So if the largest predicted value, if the largest value of X that we can use is 6, then that would create the largest Y if it's positive. If it's a positive correlation, right? Because it would just be going up and over, up and over, up and over, or whatever.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that makes sense.
94.859.
So Thor, we learned that if you plug in X on that blue box under the slope on Excel, it'll just calculate it for us
Nice.
instead of doing the work. I didn't know if you knew that.
Who wants to do the work?
Yeah. It's more accurate too, so might as well.
Yeah, there you go.
So how many explanatory variables? I put 1.
Yeah.
Because anything beyond 1 is not simple, it's multiple. Right? Yeah. Because that's that whole X1, X2, X3 I was talking about.
Yeah. Said it in the book, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many response variables are present? Just 1, right?
I guess 1.
Because that would
it's got to be just 1 because in that equation that I was talking about, the Y equaled the y-intercept plus the slope plus multiple versions of that. So in the end, even when you add all of those other ones up, you still only get 1 dependent variable, 1 response variable. So I guess it's always 1 maybe, but I guess that doesn't matter. We only need 1.
That makes sense.
Just to double check real quick, what did you guys say for 11 and 12?
69.469 for number 11. That's if you put the 4 in the blue box.
Right.
And then number 12, 94.859.
Cool.
Same thing, you put the 6 in the blue box.
I just want to make sure that I got the same values as you guys.
Yeah. Because 6 is the highest number on the scale for their evaluation.
Right. Cool.
Did you get 13?
Yeah, I got 13 and 14 already.
Okay.
I just want to double check 11 and 12
Okay.
before I move on.
The response variable is the y. So the y would be
Well, they want to predict the size of the hat given
Given
the
the
circumference. So the circumference is the explanatory, and the response is the size. Yeah.
size. Yeah. That would be the size of the hat because let's see,
Variable being
Yeah,
predicted.
because the variable being predicted.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay. They actually have this study on the homework, and I put the circumference as y, and I got it wrong first time. So circumference is x.
Good to know.
That makes sense. Yeah. Got that wrong first time.
Does anybody submit? I can submit.
Yep, I got it. It's in the process right now.
Oh.
We are good. 100%.
Sweet.
So Thor, do you have any like questions or like how did that go with opening the OneDrive and everything?
With the opening what?
The OneDrive? Because I know
Oh, so
Ingrid had to send it to you.
yeah, so I don't know what exactly happened there, but like Microsoft or whoever froze my OneDrive. And so like I had to go in and submit for an unfreeze, whatever, to thaw it out. And said it could take up to 24 hours to get it returned. So I'm just gonna have to go off of those emails for now, to get all that information to finish up this paper. But
Got
it'll
it.
be all right.
And,
I got the information now, so it should be fine. I did as much as I could before, without the stuff, and so I'll just go finish up what I got now.
Did you run the ANOVA yet?
I haven't. No, not yet. Just I was at a work meeting when I got all that information, so I haven't been able to do anything with it yet.
Well, that's
So-
cool. That's okay. I just, do you want to do it? Do you want me to do it? What do you need? I mean, I'll do whatever you need me to do.
Same.
I mean I could do it if you guys want to, and then we could save a little bit of time, then that's fine. But if you guys are busy, then no worries. I got the rest of tonight and tomorrow morning to work on it. I'm leaving out of town tomorrow after school, so I want to get it done sooner rather than later. But I got plenty of time to work on it. So either way,
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I mean, like I said, I can put those numbers in it and send it to you. It's just, it shouldn't be difficult. It's just going to be more of a time consumption thing for you. So whatever you want me to do.
I'll start working on it, and if it starts becoming an issue, then I'll let you guys know and see if somebody else can help me tackle it or something. But I think it should be fine.
Yeah, if you find you're running out of time or whatever you need me to do, I'll do it.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Okay, you're welcome.
If you can't load it back onto OneDrive, you can always just email it to all of us, and we can do it the old-fashioned way too.
Yeah, that's what I'll have to do. Is I'll if it doesn't load back up, then I'll just have to send it through an email or whatever.
Even on Houston's, it didn't load right. It was like everything was sitting on top of it. But when I downloaded it back to my computer, it was fine.
Huh.
So
Strange.
I don't know.
Can't trust OneDrive.
I know. Can't trust it. Stupid Microsoft.
Can't trust all this smart technology.
How does Microsoft not work on Microsoft? I don't understand.
That's how terrible it is.
So, okay.
We're going to get you no matter what.
All right.
Okay,
Well,
cool.
let's stay in touch.
Sounds good. Thank you
Okay,
guys.
Have a good weekend,
Okay.
guys.
Bye.
Yep, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.